So I think some of the trends that I'm seeing in the buy versus build debate are more people being willing to try to build it themselves, but using APIs as opposed to traditionally someone would come in and they'd just want to use a third-party platform that had all the functionality out of the box. What we see a lot are people coming in and saying, hey, I want to use your components, but I want to put them together myself, use my own technology and my own skills to do that, so that they have more control. And we're all for that in providing people with access to our API. We have a C++ API, C# API. And so depending on what their needs are and what they're looking to do, we have a great solution for that. And that's what we really try to do is work with our clients and provide them with the API, but also the support that goes with it, and making sure that they're putting their best foot forward in how to use the API and build the best system possible. The challenges that we've seen as far as managing or handling a lot of data is, one, getting access to the data. There's lots of work that goes in and becoming a vendor record on the exchanges and working and integrating with all the different exchange APIs. For our enterprise risk platform, we provide a global solution. So, if you're working with a large clearing firm or broker dealer, you've got to make sure that you can provide data for everything that they're trading. We're seeing people that are coming and saying, look, we want one platform that has everything. And in order to do that, you have to make sure you have access to all of the data, and then processing it in an efficient way and providing a cohesive solution to people. What we've seen is that in the futures industry itself, there's been a lot more demand and volume in Asia and Latin America. So that's been interesting to see evolve over the years, and I think as things are happening in that part of the world, it's sort of then you see it trickle down into the markets in those areas, and as those countries become more developed and their financial systems become more developed, they're looking to build out their market capabilities and different ways of building out their internal financial structures, and those are always opportunities for us. My mindset has been really keep making sure we're keeping the culture and the quality of our company together and the platform that we're providing to our clients. And so we've taken the path of growing organically and building everything ourselves internally. We have a great development team and a great sales team as well, and we've been fortunate enough to be able to do that and not have to go out and acquire another company just to add revenue or to get into a new market. And it really then translates to a much better quality product for our clients. When you have you're sort of putting together three different systems to achieve one sort of end-to-end solution, it can become cumbersome and clunky and unstable. Whereas when we have one cohesive solution, one platform that does everything, I think it adds a ton of value for our clients, and that's been our methodology and approach.
This has been a production from John Lothian News.